Well, the GLC 300 from Mercedes-Benz was always a popular vehicle and always one of our most selling and always a great value. Well, this is the new GLC 300 for 2020, and it is definitely an improvement. Let me show you a few things around the vehicle. First of all, LED headlamps were always an option before. Now they are standard. You can't buy one without it. This particular model has the AMG Sportline package. So you get the diamond stars in the grille and the lower the valance with this nice chrome splitter. Gives the car a very sharp and sexy look. Now, if we're going to do LED headlamps, you have to do LED tail lamps, right? LEDs front and rear. It makes a huge difference on the safety side and the convenience side of the car. Now, with the AMG Sportline package, this car has even newly designed rims. Look how nice and sleek the car is all the way down the side. Under the hood, we have more power. We have a new 2-liter turbocharged engine, does 255 horsepower, much like the C300 stablemate, and of course our 9-speed G-tronic transmission. But that's not the one biggest improvement in the GLC 300. For that, we have to go inside. Now, your biggest technological improvements in the GLC 300 are inside the car, particularly here with the touchpad. Now, it replaces the old command knob. You just drag your finger and can control anything here on the main screen. For example, let's bring the radio stations up and go through the channels. Nice and easy like that, or even switch bands without even having to twist or turn. Just there it is. There's also, at least on this car, the sport steering wheel, because this car is the AMG Sportline package. But that all ties together with the MBUX, the Mercedes-Benz user experience. You might have seen this on another one of our videos, maybe the A220 or the GLE 350. This has the new Hey Mercedes feature.
How may I help you?
It's warm in here.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 65 degrees.
She'll also change the radio stations, turn your heated seats on, even, watch this. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Turn on real jazz. And there it is. It's also a touchscreen too, so if you just want to slide your finger and let it land somewhere, you can do that too. It also will do your nav instructions and everything with just a simple voice recognized command. Not the old follow the list of commands. You can just kind of make it up as you go. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Drive us to the Empire State Building.
Please select an entry.
1.
The route is being calculated.
You can put an address in like you always have, but it knows points of interest and the names of places. So if you don't have an address but know where you want to go, most likely she's going to find it. Now have a look at this. This is what we call the augmented reality for navigation. Remember we told the car we wanted to go to the Empire State Building? There are stereo cameras that are mounted behind this panel right here, showing us exactly what's in front of us. And there's a macro hanging right there saying exactly where to go. So as soon as we get a break in the traffic here, we're going to pull out and we'll see what this looks like. All right, check it out.
Now make a U-turn onto US 30 East.
See what it's doing? It's putting that instruction right there above. So there's the vehicle in front of me, out the windshield, same vehicle right there, but it makes it nearly impossible to screw up. And now that we've made the turn, the image goes away, we just have the map. Now, of course, with a new model year, we do not lose any features. We just add more to it. You still have all the standard safety features. So just like the previous model, the car is always very smooth, very quiet, right over those bumps. Of course, blind spot assist. One thing you will notice, speed limit assist right here. Speed limit is 50. And if I go over it, it's going to try to get my attention. was flashing there a moment ago. Well, there. It knows. There it is. It knows. Well, the GLC's always been a very comfortable car. That's why, one of the reasons why it's always been so popular, and it's actually been quite a conquest vehicle for Mercedes-Benz. Of course, the seat's extremely comfortable. Proximity to all the buttons and controls is excellent. Nice big steering wheel to hold on to. This touchpad, nice and easy to get to. It's right here at your fingertips. You don't have to find the knob and turn it. You just rest your hand right there. There's also some new colors too. This one is Graphite Gray, and this Cranberry Red interior was never available on the SUV version until now. The coupe version and some other vehicles, but not in the regular GLC SUV version. So, new color palette, more power, LED lamps, and the Mercedes-Benz user experience. The all-wheel drive features in these cars are fantastic. Our trade name for it is 4MATIC. This is the full-time all-wheel drive system. Anything with 4MATIC on the back of it is going to go regardless of the conditions. Actually, you don't need to rest your hand over here. If you don't want to reach over to the MBUX screen, you can just drag your finger right here on the steering wheel, on this touchpad right here. Everything literally in this car is at your fingertips. You have so many different choices. You can really personalize the use of the car exactly the way you'd like to have it. So many different choices and so many different ways that you can make the GLC 300 really for yourself. Here, let's show the camera too. Of course, the nice big high definition camera that Mercedes-Benz is known for. How's that for a great picture? See exactly what's behind you. You can even change the view too if you like. Well, there you have it, a very brief overview of the new 2020 GLC 300 by Mercedes-Benz. My name's Scott Powell from Bud Smail Motorcars in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Any questions, call us at 724-838-1200 or log online at smailmercedesbenz.com. Have a great day.